The Weser is a river in northwestern Germany, formed at Hannover-Schmanden by the confluence of the rivers Fulda and Werra. It flows through Lower Saxony, then reaching the Hanseatic town Bremen, before emptying 50 kilometers further north at Bremerhaven into the North Sea. On the opposite bank is the town of Nordenham at the foot of the Buchardingen Peninsula, thus, the mouth of the river is in Lower Saxony. The Weser has an overall length of 452 kilometers. Together with its Werra tributary, which originates in Thuringia, its length is 744 kilometers. Etymology. Linguistically, the name of both rivers, Weser and Werra, goes back to the same source, the differentiation being caused by the old linguistic border between Upper and Lower German, which touched the region of Hannover-Schmanden. The name Weser parallels the names of other rivers, such as the Wer in England and the Vistula in Poland, all of which are ultimately derived from the root esterus quais, to flow, which gave Old English, Old Frisian was, mud, ooze, Old Norse Weser, slime, stagnant pool, Dutch was, lawn, Old Saxon Wasser, wet ground, mire, and Old High German Wassal, rain, course. The Weser River is the longest river whose course reaches the sea and lies entirely within German national territory. The upper part of its course leads through a hilly region called the Weserbergland. It extends from the confluence of the Fulda and the Werra to the Porta Westfalica, where it runs through a gorge between two mountain chains, the Wiehengebirge in the west and the Weserbergland in the east. Between Minden and the North Sea, humans have largely canalized the river, permitting ships of up to 1,200 tons to navigate it. 8 hydroelectric dams stand along its length. It is linked to the Dortmund-Ems Canal via the Coastal Canal, and another canal links it at Bremerhaven to the Elbe River. A large reservoir on the Eder River, the main tributary of the Fulda, is used to regulate water levels on the Weser so as to ensure adequate depth for shipping throughout the year. The dam, built in 1914, was bombed and destroyed by British aircraft in May 1943, causing massive destruction and approximately 70 deaths downstream, but was rebuilt within 4 months. As of 2013, update, the Edersee Reservoir, a major summer resort area, provides substantial hydroelectricity. Mittelland Canal, River Weserloch in Minden taken in 1977. View north of the River Weser and the road bridge at Minden. Southern view of the River Weser from the road bridge at Minden in 1977. The Weser enters the North Sea in the southernmost part of the German Bight. In the North Sea, it splits up into 2 arms representing the ancient riverbed at the end of the last ice age. These sea arms are called Alte Weser and Neue Weser. They represent the major waterways for ships heading for the harbours of Bremerhaven, Nordenham and Bremen. The Alte Weser Lighthouse marks the northernmost point of the Weser. This lighthouse replaced the historic and famous Roter Sand Lighthouse in 1964. Tributaries. The largest tributary of the Weser is the Alle, which joins south of Bremen. The tributaries of the Weser and the Werra are Left Ulster, Fulda, Diemel, Werra, Grossauer, Huntur, Reitnesser, Alle, Lesum, a confluence of the rivers Wummer and Hammer, Lune, Geester. Notable towns. Towns along the Weser, from the confluence of Werra and Fulda to the mouth, include Hahn, Munden, Beverungen, Hochster, Holzminden, Bodenwerder, Hameln, Hesse-Scholdendorf, Rinteln, Vlotho, Bad Oeynhausen, Porta Westfalica, Minden, Peterschingen, Nienburg, Aachen, Bremen, Brake, Nordenham, Bremerhaven.